I look at all the different parts of what goes into a robotic system, and we call that socio and technical. So the social parts of it, talking to people, the technical parts of it, all the technologies that go into the same types of systems. The research I'm looking at is how we can bring a robot into a part of an existing workflow. It's identifying areas where a robot will be most efficiently used, or how we can adapt a robot to use in different areas of the factory floor. There's a cost-benefit analysis that has to be done there. Beyond that, it's about a robot fitting in well and not disrupting the existing people that work there as well. So we look at it from that point of view, that a robot is useful in these areas, but also it's not going to cause a huge amount of disruption, or it's going to provide the most positive impact. If a robot needs to come into there as a new technology, we need to try and capture some of the reasons why it was done in the first place. If there was a good reason for it to be done that way, the technology will change that. You end up with a hybrid workflow, which is the approach of the handmade alongside the digital. And you play to the strengths of the two. So things that humans are very good at, tacit knowledge, feeling for things, particularly in craft work, things robots are very good at, repetition, precision, strength. The two can come together and yet end up with a much better outcome typically.